In this video, I'm sharing the recipe of instant malpuas made with wheat flour. Traditionally, malpuas are made using maida which is left to ferment overnight. But this recipe is instant and you can make whenever you feel like and does not require long hours of preparation. These malpuas are juicy and soft from within and crispy on the outside at the edges, and is a must-try recipe for the festivals. I'm sharing lots of tips to make perfect malpuas, so do watch the video till the end so that you do not miss out any information. Also, before we begin the recipe, do subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes. To make the malpuas, I'm taking 1 cup of wheat flour, that is gehu ka atta. To it add 4 tablespoons of sooji. If you have thick sooji, grind it on the pulse mode and then use it. Sooji helps to make the malpuas crispy. Here I have ground some fennel seeds, that is soft. Add about a teaspoon of it, which adds a wonderful taste. Next, add a pinch of salt and mix everything well together. You can also add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder at this stage. Here I am taking 1 cup of room temperature milk. Add slowly and make a smooth batter. The batter is still thick, so I will take some more milk. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of milk. The quantity may vary slightly depending upon the sooji you use and how much it soaks up the milk. The consistency of the batter is very important. We need a free-flowing smooth batter. So I will add some more milk and mix it till I get that consistency. Also, if you add milk in large quantities, there are high chances of lumps to form. So mix in little quantities only. I will add some sugar. Mix it well and let the batter rest for 20 minutes for the milk to soak up. Then again I will continue to make the batter. While the batter is resting, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Here I am taking 1½ cups of sugar. With the same measuring cup, I will take 1½ cups of water. For a wonderful flavor, I will add cardamom and saffron and bring the syrup to a boil. We need a very thin sugar syrup which would feel sticky to the fingers. Put off the gas before the syrup reaches one string consistency. If the syrup is thick, the malpuas will not soak it up, and if it is very thin, the malpuas will taste watery. The syrup is sticky and I'll turn off the gas. Let's see how the batter looks now after resting it. Here the sooji has soaked the milk and the batter looks swelled up too. When you drop it, it is falling in dollops, and this is not the consistency that we want for perfect malpuas. So I will add more milk, and once the batter is ready, I'll tell you exactly how much milk I have used. A perfect malpua is soft from within and it is crispy on the outside. It should not be chewy after soaking up in the syrup, and thus this process of making the batter is very important, which does involve repetitive steps till we get the correct consistency. Here you can see the batter is flowing freely and is not falling in lumps, which means it's perfect. To get fluffy malpuas, I'll add half a teaspoon of baking powder and mix it well. So altogether I've used 1 cup plus 3/4 cup of milk. The batter is ready. Let's move towards the frying process. The oil is medium hot. If it is too hot, the malpua batter is very delicate and will burn immediately. Pour 1 ladleful and then do not touch the malpua till the upper layer is formed. I'm not editing this clip. Just see how wonderfully these will puff up, which means the batter is perfect, and that too we have made using wheat flour. With light hands, just move them away from each other and splash oil on the top. As these are very delicate at this stage, fry on each side for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip and fry on the other side till golden in color. Also note one more thing, that use a shallow and wide pan to fry the malpuas. In a deep pan, they will sink to the bottom and become hard in texture. These look done. I'll transfer this in the sugar syrup and let them soak the syrup till I fry the next batch. The sugar syrup should be lukewarm at this stage. While these are soaking, I'll fry the next batch. With the measurements given, you will get around 10 malpuas. I will show you towards the end of this video how juicy these malpuas will be. And here all the malpuas are ready. I've served them with chilled instant rabri, the recipe of which I'll share with you soon. I've garnished the malpuas with crushed pistachios and rose petals. Can you see how soft these are? And these are absolutely yummy, believe me. And just see how juicy these are. They will just melt in your mouth. Do try this recipe for Holi and let me know your feedback in the comment box given down below. I hope you liked today's video. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.